AI is evolving at an absolutely incredible pace, right? But here's the big question. Is your security strategy keeping up? That's exactly what we're going to tackle today, how to actually future-proof your organization's AI security. And just so you know, all the insights we're covering today are drawn directly from Chapter 10 of the AI Security for Organizational Leadership tutorial, which was published by Virtualization Options LLC.
So what's the real challenge here? Well, it's the speed. It's the sheer, blistering speed of change. The AI landscape is shifting faster than any of our traditional security models were ever designed to handle. What was considered secure yesterday might be totally vulnerable today. It means we need a whole new way of thinking.
And that brings us to the fundamental question that every leader should be asking. You know, traditional security was built for a pretty static world, but AI is dynamic. It learns, it adapts, it changes constantly. And that means our security has to learn and change right along with it. To really meet this challenge, we have to make a pretty fundamental shift in our mindset. It's time to move away from those static, rigid defenses. You know, the build a wall and hope for the best approach, and start embracing a framework that's adaptive and resilient. So what do we even mean by an adaptive security strategy? Well, think of it like a security posture that's designed for evolution from the ground up. It's built to anticipate new technologies and protect you not just from the threats we know about today, but also from the ones we haven't even seen yet.
This comparison here, it just lays it out perfectly. The old static approach, it's reactive, it's rigid, and honestly, it's brittle, like a wall that's just waiting to crumble. The adaptive approach is the total opposite. It's proactive and flexible. The goal isn't to be unbreakable, the goal is to be resilient. It's about being able to bend without breaking.
Okay, that all sounds great in theory, right? But how do you actually do it? How do you make this happen? Well, we're about to walk through a really clear 5-step blueprint to build this future-proof strategy. And this isn't just theory, it's an actionable plan.
So here they are, the 5 pillars of your strategy. First, establish governance. Second, invest in capabilities. Third, implement adaptive controls. Fourth, foster a strong security culture. And fifth, plan for regulatory evolution. All right, let's break down each one.
Step 1 is all about governance. And this is the absolute foundation of your strategy. I know, governance can sound a little dry, but it is so crucial. It means creating dedicated structures just for AI security. Who's in charge? Who's accountable when things go sideways? You need crystal clear roles and processes to make security effective.
Next up, step 2, investing in your people. Look, technology is only ever half the battle. You have to build that internal expertise. And that means a 3-pronged approach: hiring new talent, training and upskilling the teams you already have, and forming strategic partnerships to bring in outside specialists when you need them.
Now, step 3 is where the strategy really becomes adaptive. Instead of just focusing on preventing attacks, which is kind of an impossible task these days, the emphasis completely shifts. It shifts to monitoring, detection, and response. It's all about having the visibility to see what's happening with your AI systems in real time and being able to react fast and effectively when something looks wrong.
Okay, step 4, and this is a big one. Because technology and policies on paper, they only get you so far. You've got to foster a security-first culture. And that always starts at the top, with leadership engagement. From there, it's reinforced by organization-wide training, consistent communication, and a real, sustained commitment from everyone. The goal here is to make security everybody's job.
And finally, step 5. This is about planning for a moving target, and that target is regulation. The rules around AI are changing all the time, so a truly future-proofed strategy needs a continuous cycle. You have to monitor for new regulations, assess how they're going to impact you, and then adapt your compliance programs to stay ahead of the curve.
So if there's one key thing to walk away with today, it's this: securing your organization's AI is not a one-time project. You can't just check it off a to-do list and be done. It is a continuous journey that demands constant attention and constant improvement. The source material we're using summarizes this perfectly. The journey toward mature AI security requires sustained commitment and continuous improvement. This effort, it has to be woven right into the very fabric of your organization. Which really leaves us with one final and I think critical question for you to consider. We all know AI is a huge part of our future. There's no debating that. The real question is, will your security be ready for it?